Hey, what's up, everyone? If you're in your 30s, or about to be, let me ask you something. Are you living your best life, or just going through the motions? Your 30s can be an incredible decade of growth, success, and self-discovery, but only if you make the right choices. So today, I'm sharing life-changing tips to help you take control and truly thrive in your 30s. Let's dive in. 1. Prioritize your health. Your 20s were all fun and games, but your 30s? This is when bad habits catch up with you. Start exercising regularly, eating better, and getting enough sleep. Your future self will thank you. Don't underestimate the power of small habits like taking the stairs, drinking enough water, and stretching for 5 minutes each morning. Consistency is key. If you've been meaning to get a gym membership but keep putting it off, just start with home workouts. There are so many free resources out there. Yoga, bodyweight exercises, and simple mobility routines can make a huge difference. And if you hate working out, find an activity you actually enjoy: dancing, hiking, swimming, anything. The key is movement, not suffering. Also, this is the time to start getting regular health checkups. Blood pressure, cholesterol, glucose levels, don't wait until there's a problem. Preventative care is way cheaper and less stressful than dealing with issues later. 2. Build financial stability. Listen, credit card debt is not a personality trait. Start an emergency fund, invest in your future, and actually understand where your money is going. Financial freedom equals less stress equals happier you. One of the best things you can do in your 30s is get serious about your financial literacy. Start by tracking your spending for a month. You might be shocked at how much goes to little things like coffee runs, subscriptions, or impulse shopping. Once you know where your money is going, you can make smarter decisions. Also, start investing now. If you haven't already, open a retirement account, even if it's just a small amount each month. Compound interest is your best friend, and the earlier you start, the more you benefit. And if you have debt, come up with a plan to pay it off. Whether you use the snowball method, smallest to largest debts, or the avalanche method, highest interest first, just get started. The sooner you clear your debt, the more freedom you'll have to invest and enjoy life. 3. Learn to say no. You don't have to say yes to everything. Protect your time, energy, and peace. FOMO is overrated. JOMO, joy of missing out, is the way. In your 20s, you might have felt pressure to always be available, to say yes to every invite, every favor, every social event. But in your 30s, you realize that your time is valuable. You don't have to justify saying no. No is a complete sentence. Set boundaries with people who drain you. Not every relationship is meant to last forever, and that's okay. Prioritize those who uplift you and bring positive energy into your life. 4. Take care of your skin. Moisturizer and SPF are your best friends now. Wrinkles are cool, but sun damage? Not so much. Future you will appreciate the effort. If you're not already using a solid skincare routine, now is the time to start. It doesn't have to be complicated. Just a cleanser, moisturizer, and SPF can do wonders. Hydration is key, so drink plenty of water, too. Also, invest in good quality skincare products. Cheap, harsh ingredients might not show damage right away, but in a few years, you'll wish you had taken better care of your skin. 5. Nurture real friendships. Forget about having 100 friends. Focus on keeping the real ones. Quality over quantity, always. Your 30s are when friendships start to shift. People get busy with careers, families, and different priorities. Instead of trying to hold on to every acquaintance, focus on deepening your connections with the friends who truly matter. Schedule regular check-ins, even if it's just a quick text or call. And don't be afraid to be the one to reach out first. Life gets hectic, and sometimes people just need a little reminder that you're thinking of them. 6. Stop comparing yourself to others. Social media is a highlight reel, not real life. Focus on your own journey instead of stressing over someone else's timeline. You're doing fine. It's easy to fall into the trap of comparison culture, especially with platforms like Instagram and LinkedIn showing everyone's perfect lives. But remember, no one posts their struggles, failures, or doubts. You only see the curated, polished version. Instead of comparing yourself to others, compare yourself to your past self. Are you growing, learning, becoming a better version of yourself? That's what matters. 7. Keep learning and growing. Your brain needs exercise too. Keep leveling up, whether it's through books, online courses, or new experiences. Stay curious. Your 30s are a great time to pick up new skills. Whether it's learning a new language, trying a new hobby, or finally taking that course you've been eyeing, never stop growing. 8. Travel whenever you can. You don't need to be rich to travel, just strategic. Whether it's a road trip or an international adventure, new experiences will enrich your life. Travel opens your mind, introduces you to different cultures, and gives you a break from daily routines. Even if you can't go far, visiting a nearby town or taking a weekend getaway can refresh your perspective. If money is tight, try budget travel hacks like off-season bookings, travel rewards programs, or even house-sitting abroad. One of the biggest regrets people have is not traveling enough when they had the chance. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start planning those trips now. You'll create memories and gain experiences that no material possessions can replace. 9. Focus on mental health. Take care of your mind like you do your body. Therapy is great, self-care isn't selfish, and setting boundaries is a must. Your mental health impacts every aspect of your life, from relationships to work performance. Prioritize activities that reduce stress and boost your well-being, whether that's meditation, therapy, journaling, or simply unplugging from social media. Don't ignore signs of burnout, anxiety, or depression. If you need professional help, seek it without hesitation. There's no shame in prioritizing your mental wellness. Also, surround yourself with positive influences, people who uplift you, encourage you, and respect your boundaries. Protect your peace at all costs. 10. Enjoy the journey. Your 30s aren't about having everything figured out, they're about growing, evolving, and embracing life. Give yourself grace and enjoy the ride. You don't have to hit arbitrary milestones by a certain age. Life isn't a checklist, it's a collection of experiences, lessons, and memories. Stop waiting for the perfect moment to be happy. Celebrate small wins, find joy in everyday moments, and be present in your life. Focus on progress, not perfection. And most importantly, have fun. Your 30s can be some of the best years of your life if you allow them to be. 11. Keep expanding your network. Your 30s are the perfect time to build meaningful relationships, professionally and personally. Your network can open doors you never even knew existed. Whether it's through work, social events, or even online communities, make an effort to connect with like-minded people. Networking isn't just about finding new job opportunities, it's about learning, sharing experiences, and forming valuable connections. The more people you know, the more opportunities will come your way. So don't be afraid to reach out, ask questions, and stay in touch with those who inspire you. 12. Invest in yourself. One of the best investments you can make is in yourself. Never stop learning, growing, and improving. Whether it's through higher education, self-improvement books, skill-building courses, or personal development, prioritizing yourself is never a waste of time. If you've always wanted to start a side hustle, go back to school, or develop a new skill, your 30s are a great time to do it. The world is constantly evolving, and keeping yourself adaptable and knowledgeable will set you apart in both your personal and professional life. Alright, that's it for today. Now I want to hear from you. What's one thing you wish you had known before turning 30? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.